Hello girlies, welcome back. I have a really exciting video for today. I am so excited about how everything turned out. They look great, like better than I expected. So I'm really excited for you to see how this goes. Today I am DIY tie-dye bleaching. DIY bleach tie-dyeing. Today I am doing my own DIY bleach tie-dye. Yeah, okay, perfect. Today I am doing my own DIY bleach tie-dye. I really hope you like this video. Let me know what you think of how everything turned out. Like I said, they are so cute. Just keep on watching. This was a lot of fun to do. I hope you enjoy. Let's get right into it. Okay, so the three pieces that we're gonna tie-dye today is this little cropped shirt right here. I also want to tie-dye this cute little tube top. And then I know this is gray, but I feel like it could still be cute. It's already cropped, but I want to cut whatever this is, the hem off, and crop it even more. So it's like distressed. And then I thought it would be really cute if we tie-dyed this too. So those are our three pieces. I didn't have any rubber bands, so we're just gonna be using some hair ties, but whatever, it works. And I didn't have a squirt bottle, so I'm just using an empty like soda bottle, and I poked a hole in the top. I have a little bit of water in here, and I'm just gonna be pouring bleach in there. Little update. This is what the gray cropped sweatshirt looks like. This is the little t-shirt. And this is the tube top. It hasn't really done much, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so since I did this one first, this is the one that I'm going to rinse first. And you want to rinse with cold water. This faucet is messed up and cold is this way. So I promise it's on cold water. And then you just rinse. Oh, I think that's gonna look cool. All right, second, the hoodie sweatshirt thing that I'm really excited about. And then I still have to crop this after it's washed. But I think this one's gonna turn out really good. Now, the blue one, pieces right here, and I'm gonna show you how they all turned out. First things first, this is the t-shirt, that pink like cropped t-shirt that I did. I think it turned out really cute. It's like a yellowy, whitey kind of tie-dye. I mean, what did I expect? It was bleach. This one turned out super cute. I really like this one. I feel like it looks like something you could find at Urban Outfitters. Super cute. And then secondly, this one is my favorite, and this is the one that I was most excited for. Like, I just knew this one was gonna turn out good. So it's that cropped hoodie sweatshirt kind of thing. It looks so good, and yes, like I said, I ended up cutting it as you saw. It turned out perfect. I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. Okay, so the first two turned out really great, and I don't know if it's because of the fabric or if just because it was already light in color to begin with, which I doubt that has anything to do with it, because like the gray one turned out great. The blue one, on the other hand, like on camera, I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, like it really didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. I was really hoping it was gonna look like a little sky, like clouds in the sky or something. I thought that would have been really cute. I don't know if you can see, but there is like some spotting on it from where obviously the bleach was. But I don't know, it didn't really change much. So I might try again. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one, but I love how the other two turned out, so that was perfect. I think that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys liked my DIY tie-dye bleaching thing. I love the way that these two turned out. They look great. I'm gonna be wearing these all the time. Super excited about them. You should try this if you're bored during quarantine, especially. It's a lot of fun. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.